Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying exactly which Panda Dunks parts need replacement: insoles, laces, midsole, or outsole. Remove laces and insoles first. Take photos so you know orientation. Use a soft brush to clear debris and a flathead or shoe knife to separate glued edges carefully. This prevents tearing. Once done, label parts and sort replacement pieces. Make sure to test fit new components dry before applying glue, so alignment and seam gaps are visible and corrected before permanent bonding. Now focus on precise fitting and adhesion. Lightly sand the outsole and heel areas for mechanical grip, then clean with isopropyl where leather or rubber permit. Avoid suede. Apply a thin, even layer of contact adhesive to both surfaces and wait the recommended tack time. Once tacky, align and press firmly. Use clamps or heavy objects to maintain pressure for at least 10-15 minutes. If stitching is loose, reinforce with a saddle stitch or use heat-set rivets. This ensures long-term durability and correct shape. Complete the job by trimming any excess adhesive and letting shoes cure undisturbed for 24 hours. Insert shoe trees to restore volume. Relace and test fit, walking short distances to seat the repair. If you see a gap at flex points, flex gently 20-30 times and apply a tiny drop of adhesive into the seam, clamping until set. If color or texture mismatches appear, touch up with appropriate leather dye or paint pens, but test a hidden area first to avoid visible mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.